Rapidly develop your psychic power in 28 days. WhatsApp workshops. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. Do you really want to improve your psychic power? Some people tell me, I don't have a psychic power, I don't know what it is. My friend, I have a question for you. Happened with you, you suddenly started thinking about a friend of yours and you get a call from him, or you see him on the road crossing. Happen? You had a dream about something and that came true the next morning. Sometimes you have a dream that you are in the dream you are floating up and suddenly you came back and you open with a jerk. You may be doing astral projection, my friend, mental projection. Now sometime when you meet, the moment the telephone rings, you know the who is calling you. Happen? My friend, we have all these things with us right now, and many times your psychic power, your intuitions help you to, you remember sometime you did something, work with somebody or did some business, your thought came into your mind not to do it, that is not the right person, but you didn't listen to it and you did it, and then you later on said, I had a thought not to do this. Remember this? We all have this psychic power with us, but we don't know how to use it properly and how to improve on it or develop on it. So my friend, I am conducting a workshop on WhatsApp, 28-day workshop. It's a video workshop, HD quality video workshop, where we learn how to develop your psychic power, your intuition, your sixth sense. And we'll be doing a little bit theory in the first 1 or 2 days, but it's a completely practical workshop. We'll be doing a lot of exercises to develop a lot of different areas of psychic power. Let me give you a slight detail about it, though it is a very big one. So now let me tell you what you are going to learn in this 28 days WhatsApp workshop. That means you don't need to come to Hyderabad, you can learn from home. You will be getting HD quality videos every day. We'll be doing a little bit of theory, more practical. Yes, my friend, more practical. Let me tell you what you're going to learn. First day you will learn about me. Definitely I'll tell you how I got into it. And then we'll get into how the psychic power works, what it is, what extrasensory perception is, and there is some important tips and how to know that you are developing the psychic powers. Then there is something very important. To do this exercises, you need to go into alpha level. We call it self-hypnosis also. You will learn how to go into it. And then we learn about a little bit about chakras and opening your third eyes and closing your third eyes. Then we'll learn some visualization exercise, and then you will learn how to protect yourself. Very, very important. When you are doing all this psychic exercise, you learn how to protect yourself, and then how to be careful about your thoughts. Thoughts are very, very important. Then you will learn how to strengthen your aura. You will learn what aura it is, and then how to strengthen your own aura while you sleep. Yes. Then you will learn how to protect yourself, protective rituals you will learn, and then you will learn the mental blocks that come while developing psychic power and how to remove them. Then you will learn real things start coming in now. Aura reading, seeing your own aura, reading someone else's aura and know what they are. Then learn telepathy, psychometry. Then you will learn astral projection and mental projections. And then you will learn how to make energy, how to use energy. And then you will learn how to improve your skills and giving a reading. Yes, you can do psychic readings, guides and masters, speed guides, and all these things we will be doing as an exercise. It is not a theory, my friend. It's all exercises. And then you will learn how to check your house with the energies, whether it is clear or not. Clean your house, clear your house. Then you will learn about healing, and then you will learn how to do your own healing using a basic body visualization, self-scanning, and then different kind of scanning, cleaning your own energy, healing others, correcting imbalance in yourself, plus many, many more things you are going to learn. Now, important thing is, it's a 28-day workshop. Every day I'll give you one extra technique and tips as a homework, so you can start using in your day-to-day life and start improving every day. All 28 days, 28 different techniques and tips I'll give you, which you can start practicing day one. and start getting results from the day one. Plus many more things will be there, my friend. So if you really want to develop your psychic power, this course is for you. Some people ask me why I need to develop my psychic power. Now, the real reason of learning your psychic power is to trust more of your intuition, your intuitive thoughts, so that you can become more successful in your life, whatever you are doing. Yes, the people who are more successful are more intuitive. They have more developed their psychic power. Plus, in this course, you are going to learn a very important and powerful technique which I have developed called higher mind. All these exercises you will learn going into higher mind. Plus, you will learn a very powerful NLP technique to anchor the state of psychic mind. So whenever you are doing a psychic reading or doing any psychic exercise, you anchor those feelings of psychic power and you can easily do it and develop very quickly. Plus many more things will be there, my friends. And I am not telling you all the things right now because there are certain things I kept as a secret which I will not tell you in this promotional video. I will teach you in the workshop because certain things are there which I don't want it to go to everybody. Everybody means there are a lot of people are there, they learn this technique and then misuse it, or not actually misuse it, they start teaching it but not knowing how to do it. So there are a lot of some very special secret techniques will be there which I will be teaching you in this workshop. So first day you will get a lesson at 9 p.m. After that every day you will get a lesson. So it's a 28-day workshop. So you will learn by doing it. You will learn how to develop your psychic power and you are developing your psychic power. And my friend, this is a very powerful workshop. Normally for this workshop I charge more than 15,000 rupees plus GST. For my live seminar, means physical workshop, which I used to conduct a lot in the past in Hyderabad, other places, which I stopped completely because of the lockdown. As it is happening, this workshop is happening on WhatsApp. So anybody can attend from anywhere in the world. So if you're really interested to join this workshop, the fee for this workshop is, because you are learning from home and you're not coming over here, you're getting lessons every day on the WhatsApp group. The fees is not 15,000, not 10,000, not even 5,000. Now remember, my friend, this is a certificate program. You will be getting some handout, not many handouts, but you will be getting a lot of handouts. The special techniques, you will be giving a handout so you can use this course and develop your psychic powers. So my friend, if your goal is to develop your psychic power, develop more intuitive, this is the course for you. So enroll right now. You can go to the website, the link given there. And if you want to make the payment through credit card, go to the website and then send us the screenshot to the number given below so that we can add you in the group. Now sometimes some people, they register through somebody else's account. If that is the case, immediately send the link, send the screenshot with your name and number from the mobile number which you have registered so that there will be no confusion in the future. So my friend, and there is something more bonus material for you, but you register immediately. So my friend, let's have a lot of fun in this workshop and you will learn by doing it. It's a practical workshop. So see you soon. Thank you very much.